Folks, this is a video on the Kirkland Himalayan pink salt grinder. If you want to refill your shaker, this top piece will unscrew. Just give me a second. Here, I'll start it there. See? It's turning. This will totally come off, revealing that this little thing is a two-part. Actually, three parts. But the white part. This shouldn't take me long here. This is about my third time. It was a little stiff the first time I tried it. Undoing this top half, or top part. There, see? It's off already. There it is right there. This bottom part, pull out. That's your grinder. Then there's a spring. Comes right out. Three parts. As you can see. See the salt in there? You can refill through the top. No problem. Okay. Now, putting it back together. Spring. The grinder part. See? Weird looking thing. Goes up and down. This is your adjuster. Oops, guess it would help if I put it on the right spot. The camera, that is. That adjusts the coarseness of your salt. There. Plus the lid goes on top of that. Now you know how to take these apart. And that took less than 2.5 minutes.